Hi guys, welcome to Phoenix Roaster's Nitro How To video. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to be talking about how to properly take care of the taps on your kegerator. So, first things first, a really simple tip that I like to implement throughout the day is to just grab a towel. It can be a paper towel, honestly, whatever you have handy, and you just want to go through and tap your heads a couple of times. And that's just getting any excess liquid out, any buildup, especially with any coffees that have dairy in them. There can be some gunk buildup in there, so it's nice to just make sure that it's flowing freely throughout the day. So, fast forward to nighttime when you're shutting down your kegerator and your taps. Something really simple that I like to do when I'm not deep cleaning is just grabbing one of these tap brushes and you, super simple, just shove them right into the tap. And you're gonna wanna do this on every head, and that just makes it really, really easy for nothing to come out and also nothing to go in. So great to do overnight, come in the morning, take them out, you're good to go. If you're doing more of a deep cleaning, which I recommend at least every other day, super simple as well. You're just actually gonna unscrew the top, and has a few pieces inside. So the quickest and best way that I have found to do this is to actually just grab a few stir sticks or whatever you have handy, but I feel like most people at a coffee shop have these, right? So you're gonna turn the tap upside down, and you're actually not gonna wanna aggressively push down on it because the parts are, you know, important, so you don't wanna do anything bad to them, but you're gonna slowly just work around the sides until you feel the parts coming loose. And so for the sake of the video, I actually have a few parts soaking over here in my sanitary food solution. So this is the head, obviously, the black rubber ring. This is a really important little white piece and the silver plate. So these have been soaking overnight, hypothetically. To rebuild, you're gonna wanna take this little white acorn looking piece and you're gonna stick it in with the point down, and you're just gonna go ahead and drop it in there, and it pretty much fits perfectly, so it'll just go in on its own. And then you're gonna wanna make sure, obviously, these are dried. I like to stack the black ring on top of the silver plate and just drop them in. And then you can kind of do the reverse that we did on this guy and just kind of work these in until you feel like they're secured, the black ring with the silver plate, and then of course the white piece underneath. And then you're just gonna go ahead and screw it back on. And it's super, super simple, something that I highly recommend doing so you don't have any buildup or anything like that. And then my last tip for you is, I have noticed that a lot of people lose some of those really small pieces. It's very easy to do. They fall on the ground and they're never seen from again. So my biggest recommendation is that you always have a few extra on hand because they're all very important to, you know, the workings of this kegerator. So always have a few extra on hand. They're small, and so you never know what can happen. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys, and have a great day.